as an operator, again, looking into 2024, it's a roll up your sleeves year. This is what I'm saying in terms of pretty much every property type, certainly in office, apartments, and industrial. It is a roll up the sleeves kind of year where you sit down, you look at the local competitive landscape, and you really have to nail down your rates. You have to sharpen up your marketing strategies, your advertising, your online presence, and really get dialed in to compete this year, because it's going to get a little tougher. There's new units, there's new supply coming online, there's people going through lease up, there's a lot of new competition with the REITs and the institutional investors. And so it's a roll up the sleeves kind of year. When I'm talking to the owners and the investors themselves, there's a lot of the old timers, the ones who've been in this business a long time, who are starting to move out of the sector. They're saying, you know what, this is great. I've made tons of money. This has been a fantastic investment, but I don't want to play anymore. It's getting more and more complicated, and I just don't want to. I don't want to take my game to the next level. I'm going to cash out. I'm going to cash out some of my chips or all of my chips, and I'm going to move on. And that's creating opportunities for people who are still growing in the space. I talked to a lot of syndicators who are expanding, adding more facilities. I talked to a lot of private investors that are getting in and being aggressive in their growth. So it's going to be an interesting dynamic year. It is a year where operations matter. How you manage your facility, how you are interacting with your customers matters. And this is a maturation process. It's just becoming more sophisticated, if you will.